Sunday, time for some football. Oh yeah. Oh, don't even tell me. The only game is the stupid ass Patriots. Yeah, we've all been there, right? Want to watch the game, you go to turn it on, and the only game you get in your area is garbage. Well, thanks to modern technology, we don't have to deal with that nonsense anymore. Modern technology such as smartphones and YouTube TV. Now, I don't know how long this is going to work. It's worked for a long time. It works right now. I'm sure Google will catch on to it eventually, but for now, it is an option. What I do is, first you go in and make sure YouTube TV is gone, like dead, clear it out. Then you open up your GPS spoofer. I use fake GPS. I'll put the link down in the description. Works good for me. And you put your little cursor thing wherever it is you want to go. I want to watch the Kansas City Chiefs game because Mahomes is the man. So we're going to go over to Detroit. It's actually not showing in Kansas City, which is somewhat odd, but whatever. We'll go over to wherever. I guess it doesn't really matter. And you hit play. It goes away. Then you go back to YouTube TV, crank that bad boy up, and it should say, welcome to the Detroit area, or nothing. Okay. But you hit play, away you go. Works perfect. You can even do casting. You can hit the cast button and cast to your TV or whatever. So even though the phone and the app think you're in somewhere else, it still works locally. You can still cast it, which is fantastic. Cast it, fantastic. Yeah, so that's your little tip for the day. I don't know how long it's going to work, but I actually started using that when I was in Phoenix and YouTube TV hadn't even been released here yet. So I used to spoof it. It was only in like LA and I don't know, I'll put over here which cities it came out in initially because I don't remember, or over here rather. I know LA was one of them because I used to put the pin right in Beverly Hills and it worked perfect. I was like, this is awesome. So today what I use it for is I'll have YouTube TV on the TV here playing on the Shield, and that'll be playing, you know, a game, whatever game is on, like the Cardinals starts here soon. So that'll be on there. Then I'll have my other team, the Bengals, on the phone. And that's how I roll on Sundays. So hope you found this useful. If you did, like, share, subscribe, all that happy noise. Until next time, later.